Hello, my YouTube family. My name is Suryansh Mishra and I am the son of Bigu Prasad Mishra. Today I will be showing chapter 6 of NSO Olympiad. So let's start. Please like, subscribe, share and comment for showing support and for further improvement. Select the odd one out. Seesaw, slide, crowbar or scissor. Seesaw, crowbar and scissors are levers, while slide is not a lever. So correct option is option B, slide, as it is the odd one out, as it is not a lever. The given picture represents the dash force. This force pulls everything towards the earth. So this is gravitational force. So correct option is option B, gravitational force. Dash is an example of wheel and axle. Scissor, steering, Allen screw or plier. So it's steering. So correct option is option B, steering, as Allen screw, plier and scissor are not wheels and axles. To reduce force X on a carom board, talcum powder is applied. The force X is the force applied by hand on sponge ball? No, it's not a friction force like that makes it tough to lift heavy objects. No, this is not muscular force that pulls down all objects towards earth. This is not gravitational force that prevents us from slipping while walking. Elastic force, yes, it's correct, as it is elastic force. So correct option is option D, that prevents us from slipping while walking. Roy wanted to make a list of action that shows friction produces heat. Which of the following could he include in his list? The rubbing hand together, yes. When we rub hands in winter we feel heat little bit. Scratching a matchstick against the box, yeah, as the matchstick gets hot. Sawing wood, yes. While we saw wood, we feel very hot because of the drills. Drilling a hole into metal sheet, it's like sawing wood only. So yes, it's correct. Rubbing off some pencil marks with an eraser, yes, we feel like hot. So not A and E, they are not including all. A, B and E, no. A, B, C and E, no. One is missing. A, B, C, D and E. Yes, it's the correct option. So correct option is option D, A, B, C and E. When a mixer grinder is switched on, dash energy changes to dash and dash energy. So here electrical energy changes to kinetic and sound energy. So correct option is option D, electrical, kinetic, sound. Select the correct statement. Energy is the capacity to do work. Yes. Energy can be changed from one form to another. Yes. As we did here in options in question 6. Potential energy is the energy due to motion? No. So correct option is option D, both A and B, as both A and B are correct. The man in this diagram will fall because the banana peel will reduce gravity? No, the banana peel will not reduce gravity. It will increase. Not fall because the banana peel will not reduce gravity? No. It will not reduce gravity. It will increase gravity, but he will fall. Fall because the banana peel will reduce friction between his shoe and ground? It will increase friction. Fall because the banana peel will increase friction between his shoe and ground? Yes, it's correct. So correct option is option D, fall because the banana peel will increase friction between his shoe and the ground. A toy car is released from point Y of the ramp and travels towards point X. What is are the forces responsible for sliding the car towards point X? Probably Earth's gravitational force and muscular force. So correct option is option C, 2 and 3 only, as Earth's gravitational force and muscular force is written in those statements. A ball kept on a table falls down from the top and hits the floor with a loud noise. Which of the following shows the energy conversions that have taken place? First, potential energy has taken place, then kinetic, and then sound. So, correct option is option C, potential, then kinetic, then sound. Which of the following are type of simple machines and pliers? P is not and S is not. So, and Q and R are. So, correct option is option B, Q and R. So, let's move on to next one. Sangeeta poured 100 milliliter of boiling water into 4 containers of similar size and material from one to another in order of steps 1 to 4. As shown in the given figure, water in which of the following containers have the highest and lowest temperature respectively? So here let me think. Here A has the highest temperature and D has the lowest temperature respectively. So correct option is option C, A and D. As Ayan is pushing a carton up a ramp, dash energy from the food that Ayan has eaten into dash energy of the carton when the carton reaches the deck of the lorry. The energy stored in the carton as dash energy. However, some of the energy from Ayan is changed into dash and dash energy.